back to my channel. So today I filmed this tutorial on this hair. I'm wearing a 13x6 frontal wig. If you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, keep on watching. Alright you guys, so this is how the hair looks. This is definitely an HD hair wig and it is 32 inches. Y'all, look at how it looks against the skin. I did bleach the knots and I did minimal plucking. You're going to see throughout the video when I'm doing my baby hairs, I'm going to go back in and I'm going to pluck certain areas. But I am doing a side part, so I'm going to be starting off with parting my hair to the side first. And this is a 13x6 laced front wig, so you definitely have a larger parting space and you are able to do side parts with this hair versus a 13x4. Your part would actually be too small. So I'm now going in with my hot comb after waxing down all the little hairs, and I'm just going around and slicking that down. I did go ahead and cut off my ear tabs using a razor. I just feel using a razor cuts easy and more better than actually using scissors. So now I'm going ahead and doing that to the lace as well. I'm going to cut off all around the lace with my razor. Alright you guys, so now I'm just going ahead, I just measured it to make sure everything looks correct, and I'm now going to be taking my lace glue and I'm just going to be doing 2 thick slash thin layers. The reason why I say thick is because I did apply a lot of glue, but the reason why I say thin is because it's not really like 4 to 3 layers. So yeah, I'm going ahead and doing that around the whole perimeter of my head. And then after that, once it fully turns clear, I'm going to go ahead and apply the wig. Y'all, let me just say, like, I love my makeup in this tutorial. Wait till you guys see the final look. I look so pretty at the end. So now I'm just going ahead and going in sections and parting out spaces. If there's anywhere that needs more glue, go ahead and add it. Always make sure that your lace is glued down around the whole entire perimeter. You don't want any pieces of lace sticking up and it has not been glued down, because that's what makes your install look less natural and that's what makes it lift up all together. So I'm now going ahead and parting that back row. It was a little crooked because I couldn't see, but y'all, I did the best that I could, and I'm going to go ahead and just hot comb that part out as well. And I'm basically separating that part. This is just going to help you have a nice flat install. I'm now going to go in sections and begin to hot comb my hair and also begin to do my baby hairs. So now I'm just going in with my comb and I'm just pulling out the areas that I want my baby hairs. I don't do like a perfect line. Like, I just pull out the areas that I think I like, and that's the amount of baby hairs I would want. As you guys can see, I'm taking my tweezers and I'm plucking back just to have more of a natural look, and I'm just going to continue to do that in between doing my baby hairs. Now I'm going ahead and just doing the opposite of my side of my head, and I'm going to do the same thing. So I did go ahead and start back plucking again, like I said. So now I'm going in and I'm just hot combing the hairs back. I'm going to put down my Super Hold Spray by Olive Oil, or ORS, and I'm going to put my melt pad down before I do my baby hairs. I'm going to now go ahead and start the baby hairs. I let that sit and dry for about a good 5 minutes. I'm going to be cutting my baby hairs with scissors and as well razors. I like to cut the top parts with scissors, and then I like to cut the lower part where my sideburns are with a razor. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and cutting out that area. Now that I finished shredding my sideburn, I'm going ahead now and curling my baby hair. I usually don't use a curling iron like this, but this is like a little travel size curling iron that I purchased from, I think it was like Ross or TJ Maxx. You can find one of these at the Beauty store, but At first I didn't know how to work them on my baby hairs, but now I kind of got the hang of it. You might burn yourself a little bit, but listen, beauty is pain, okay? So now I'm going ahead and cutting around the area and just cutting the hair shorter because I'm going to begin to go in and apply it with some gel. So I'm now going ahead and I'm just swooping in the baby hairs. And as you guys can see, with the hair already curled, the pattern is kind of already flowing for you. You just got to stick it with the baby hairs. And that's exactly what I'm doing. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to do that throughout my whole entire head. So now that I've basically finished my last sideburn, like I'm kind of like literally done with the tutorial. Like I'm done with the hair. All I gotta do now is do minor touch-ups and fix certain areas, fix my part, you know, spray it with holding spray and sleek mist and all that, and then I'm finished. Hey y'all, so I'm taking off my melt band and showing y'all how the hair looks. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish out flattening out the top of my head. I'm going in with my Slickum spritz and my sleek mist spray, and I'm just going to be hot combing out each section, and I'm just going to continue to do that. I'm now going in and doing my final part, and I'm just taking my comb and lifting it up straight up like this. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my wax stick, and I'm just going to slick that down and also slick this side as well. And then I'm going to take my comb and just part it straight across. Alright you guys, so I'm just now going ahead with my makeup and then just adjusting my part. And then I'm going to take my Slickum spray and I'm just going to spray the area one more time. And go back in also with the olive oil spray. And lastly, my Slick Mist spray. And then take my brush and I just brush everything into place. Just like this. And now I'm going to take my hot comb and just lay it out. Alright guys, so this is the final look of the tutorial, and y'all, everything looks so good. So this is a 13 by 6 frontal wig, and it's in the length 32 inches. It was Brazilian body wave, but I went ahead and just flat ironed it straight. I'm going to stand up so you guys can see how long it is a little bit. So this is how long it is. It comes like way past my butt, so it is pretty long. It is pretty long. So the install came out really pretty. The lace was very fine. I think that this is an HD lace. I'll have all the descriptions on this link and the link to all this hair in the description box below. So yeah, y'all, this is the end. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.